Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this question. Find x in third form, and then you have that right angle triangle. So here we're just going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to take the hypotenuse squared. So the hypotenuse in this case is x squared, and that should be the same as the base squared, which is 2 plus the height squared. So the height in this case we take to be 10, and we square those. So we're going to have x squared is equal to 2 squared is 4 plus root 10 squared is 10. So that x squared is equal to 14. So for us to get x, we just get the square root of both sides, so that x is equal to plus or minus root of 14. But because we're dealing with length, we are going to say that x must be greater than 0, to mean that we are only going to take the value of x in this case to be positive root of 14 centimeters.